Hi guys, and in this short BPM technical tutorial, I want to look at the capability to invoke a BPD from another BPD asynchronously using undercover agents, using UCAs. So in this model, we see here that I've got a simple business object, BO1, which has three parameters associated with it, A, B, and C. I also have a BPD called BPD Sender, and BPD Sender has an intermediate activity in it, and that activity is defined as being sending. I've created an undercover agent. The undercover agent is called UCA1, and its variable type, i.e. the data passed as a payload on the message of this undercover agent, is an instance of BO1. Now what that means is that in my sender, I get to map from UCA1 to a local variable called my data. My data is an instance of BO1 which has some values some values defined on it. The next thing I did was create a second BPD called BPD Receiver. And this is configured as starting an instance of that BPD with the arrival of a UCA-based message. Again, I mapped that activity to UCA1 and did some data mapping to my incoming data. So I've got a variable of BO1 and I mapped the incoming data. And then I did nothing more than log the data to the console. If we now switch over to the BPD sender and I play this BPD, hit the play button. If we wait a few seconds and do a refresh, we see that the BPD sender has run and has completed, and we see an instance of BPD receiver has also run and completed. And if we look in the log for my console for my BPM server, we see that BPD receiver has logged the data. And that's all I wished to illustrate. That was the concept of how to asynchronously invoke one BPD from another. Thank you now, and bye-bye.